Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 1st of August, a new month, so we've got non-farm payrolls on Friday, and we started ever with the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and we've had like 3 or 4 days of the New Zealand dollar not making as high highs, so it's starting to flat out a little bit. It did back here, and it's had this secondary burst up to the top, and it's got up to 75.50. It's starting to come off the highs a little bit now. We've got a 6.56 to 1 short on the commitment of traders, and that position has slightly fallen this week. So we do expect a turnaround on the New Zealand dollar. There we go. USD Canadian dollar. I think we might just see slightly lower lows on this. We've not broken through my trend line. It's been sideways action for the last 4 or 5 days. So I'm expecting it to long, but I still think we might see just slightly fresh lows on that. I'll see how we go anyway. USD JPY, I'm actually in profit on this, and I've got my stop loss just basically at entry. We've had now, this is a nice run down. The commitment of traders are 4.3 to 1 short this, and I think this is going to continue on down. We're a bit flat today, but I'd like it to just move below the 30.9 and stay there. There we go. USD Mexican peso. The long ratio for the Mexican peso, the long ratio for the pair is 2.75 to 1. So we've seen quite a nice little bounce off the bottom. I'd like this to continue on up. Over the next couple of weeks, I think we're going to see strength in the dollar. I think we're getting towards a turning point, and I'd like to see the RSI just pop above the 50, which would be really nice. Euro GBP. I'm expecting quite a big fall in the value of the euro. And we are seeing it coming down nicely this morning. It's down onto a support. It broke out the trend line the last couple of days, but I think this is going to break nicely to the downside. We're 2.99, more or less 3 to 1 short this pair, and it'd be nice if this RSI would dip back below the trend line. 7.8 to 1 long. That's the pound against the New Zealand dollar, and we're starting to see a bit of strength now, and we're just coming up to my my first trade here. So it'd be nice if I could get that into profit today. And we're just starting to cross the RSI. Hopefully this will move sharply up. We'll check it at the end of the day. The AUD JPY, a little bit of strength in it this morning. It's come back down. This is a nice little trade that I've got in. I'll just put a stop loss in. There we go. We're 11.3 to 1 short this. So it will be nice to see the AUD turn the corner. Also, I'd like to see the AUD drop against the US dollar. So that would be nice. Bit flat today, but hopefully it'll shoot down below the 50 on the RSI. So thank you very much for watching, and hopefully see you again tomorrow. Cheers. Bye now.